Have you ever wondered why TikTok Shop is creating such a buzz? Well, let's dive right in and unravel the mystery. TikTok Shop is not your everyday e-commerce platform. It's a game changer, a revolution in the way we shop online. It's a unique blend of social media and shopping, a place where entertainment meets e-commerce, creating a shopping experience like no other. Imagine browsing through your favorite TikTok videos and coming across a product that catches your eye. With TikTok Shop, you can purchase that product right there and then, without ever leaving the platform. It's a seamless integration that makes shopping fun, easy, and incredibly convenient. But that's not all. TikTok Shop also offers a unique shopping experience, allowing users to discover new products through the engaging content produced by their favorite TikTok creators. It's like having a personal shopper right in your phone. The fusion of entertainment and e-commerce has never been so seamless. How does TikTok Shop stand out from other e-commerce platforms? This is a question that's been on the lips of many, and today we're going to dive right in and find out. When it comes to e-commerce platforms, we've got a plethora of options. From Amazon and eBay to Shopify and Etsy, each platform has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Yet TikTok Shop is rapidly emerging as a game changer in this space. But how? Let's break it down. First off, TikTok Shop offers in-app purchases, a feature that's quite unique to this platform. This means that you can shop for your favorite products without ever having to leave the TikTok app. It's as simple as watching a video, liking a product, and clicking on the Buy button. This seamlessness, this simplicity, is what sets TikTok Shop apart. Next, let's talk about live stream shopping. Now, this is something that's been popular in Asia for quite some time, but TikTok Shop is bringing it to the global stage. Imagine watching your favorite influencer live, trying out different products, and you being able to buy those products right there and then. It's interactive, it's engaging, and it's changing the way we shop online. But what truly propels TikTok Shop to the forefront is its strong integration with social media. Unlike other platforms, where social media is often an afterthought, TikTok Shop is built around it. Every product, every seller, every purchase, it's all intertwined with the social fabric of TikTok. This social shopping experience, as we like to call it, is what makes TikTok Shop so unique. It's not just about buying a product, it's about being part of a community, a movement. So, how does TikTok Shop stand out from other e-commerce platforms? It's simple. TikTok Shop isn't just another e-commerce platform. It's revolutionizing the industry by offering a seamless, engaging, and social shopping experience. TikTok Shop is not just another e-commerce platform. It's a social shopping experience. But what if you can't access the TikTok Shop features in your country? Well, here's the rub. TikTok Shop, as phenomenal as it is, does not extend its services to every corner of the globe. It's a bummer, we know. Despite the platform's massive popularity and its potential to revolutionize e-commerce, the unfortunate reality is that some users are left out in the cold due to geographical limitations. This is where Benable comes into play. Imagine TikTok Shop, but without borders. That's Benable for you. It's a platform that brings the social shopping experience to you, no matter where you are. With Benable, you're not just watching the trends, you're part of them. You're not just a viewer, you're a participant. And guess what? You can get started on Benable with the code 8JXE2. Benable bridges the gap, bringing the social shopping experience to everyone, everywhere. Why choose Benable? And how can you get started? Well, listen up. Benable bridges the gap, providing access to social shopping features for those who can't readily use TikTok Shop. It's simple, it's efficient, and it's designed with you in mind. With Benable, you're not just buying, you're part of a community, a movement, a revolution in online shopping. And here's the icing on the cake. You can get started with a sweet deal. Use the promo code 8JXE2 when signing up, and you're in for a treat. But remember, this isn't just about you. It's about all of us, together. So don't keep it to yourself. Spread the word, share the love, and let's make social shopping the new normal. So, what are you waiting for? Join the social shopping revolution today with Benable. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and use the promo code 8JSE2 when signing up on Benable. Until next time, happy shopping.